I've had problems with my front tooth for years. My tooth died when I was at college for some reason, so they did a root canal, and then a few years back it snapped off right at the base. I actually had a horrible dental phobia as a child and had to be put to sleep just to have my cavities drilled, and I would go crazy at the sound of a drill. And I just gasped when they told me that I was gonna have to have my front tooth removed for like 4 to 6 months. I mean, for a lady to find that out was just devastating. When I met Dr. Wilhelm, I just felt nothing but just comfort from the minute I walk in. He takes you into an office and really finds out personal information about you. It's just not a cover-up or what's this or that. He spends a lot of time with you, really setting up the plan, and I've never had so much personal care at a dentist. I mean, they know you in and out. The game plan was that he was going to put in an implant tooth. It was really the only thing left to do at this point. Removing a front tooth isn't easy if anybody's had it done, and he does it very well, and I didn't feel a thing. I'm a talker, so my smile is important to me, and I can honestly say, unless I told someone this tooth wasn't mine right now, no one knows that I don't have a front tooth right now. I will never go to another dentist. This is where I'm at. I'm sorry I wasn't here earlier. It's fantastic.